PlayStation's first-party FlexStrike wireless fight stick has been delayed indefinitely. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. The FlexStrike was originally scheduled to land on August 6, 2026, alongside the release of Marvel Token Fighting Souls, a 4 vs 4 tag team fighter developed by Guilty Gear and BlazBlue Studio Arc System Works and published by PlayStation. Sony blames the change on unexpected production delays and says players with pre-orders for the FlexStrike should receive updates from their respective retailers soon. Anyone who purchased directly from PlayStation should be able to check their order status on the official website. The FlexStrike costs $199.99 and comes with a sling carrying case. Sony said in the update, "We're working to ensure we deliver the best possible experience to our players with FlexStrike, so we're taking extra time to put the finishing touches in the product. We apologize for this delay and look forward to bringing the FlexStrike experience to the community when it launches." Much like Marvel Token, FlexStrike works with PC and PS5 consoles. The fight stick was produced by PlayStation itself, built specifically for competitive players who regularly travel to tournaments. The action buttons are positioned on a slight incline, while the stick is on a flat surface. And in true PlayStation controller fashion, there's even a touchpad just above the buttons. The stick is also customizable with swappable restrictor gates that change the shape of its impact zone. Plus, the FlexStrike is wireless and connects via PlayStation Link USB adapter or with a low-latency wired USB-C connection. Sony announced FlexStrike in June 2025 and opened pre-orders exactly 1 year later. Today, it's retracting that date and not making any firm promises. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.